I went ahead and put the new one in there. I haven't mounted it in there yet or not, or anything. I haven't tightened it up. That's where my torque wrench will come in handy at, right there. Making sure you don't over tighten it or not tight enough. You just, use torque wrench. And when you put that top back on, you're gonna use the torque wrench on that too. But yeah, as you can see, when you take the old one out, it ain't gonna be nothing. There we go. It just slips. See, it just all falls down in place. And you want to make sure you got the right angle. And there is a certain way, at least on the paper, it shows a certain way that goes on there. With the nut right here, when you're facing the back end of it, it'll be on the right side, facing the part where your labels like this are, and the name will be on the opposite side. So remember, the nut or the bolt will always be away from where it says Craftsman. Alright, I'm going to try to set this down again, and let me shut the light off real quick. See if I can finish putting it together. Alright. Okay. I think I found what I needed. No, that one wasn't right. Yeah, there it goes again. Every time I turn that camera on, it starts up making that noise. Alright, I'll have to still can't find the right one. What happened to it? Possibly. Yeah, there it is. What I'll do, I'll take that star, tighten it up, and I'll use my torque wrench to tighten it with. All those back up. Right size of a. There we go. Let's double check what it's supposed to be torqued at. I know I gotta put it on there the right way.